Welcome kids. Have you ever wondered why we use coins or notes to buy things? Today, I will tell you a fun story that explains what money really is. Let's travel to a village called Barterpur. A long time ago, people in Barterpur didn't have money. If they wanted something, they exchanged things. This system was called barter. Here's the problem. Raju wanted to give apples to Meera and wanted toys in exchange. However, Meena did not have toys. Also, Meen wanted to buy cloth. So even though Raju had something to give, Meera was not interested. This made exchanging very difficult. One day, the village chief thought of a smart idea. He introduced something everyone would accept: money. Money became a common thing that everyone agreed had a value. Today, money looks very different. We use metal coins, paper notes, and even digital money. When your parents scan a QR code or use a card, it's still money. So, what is money? Simple. Money is something we all use to buy and sell things easily. It saves time, avoids confusion, and helps us get what we need. Here's your activity. Pick any 3 items in your home. Decide which one is the most valuable and share why. There is no right or wrong answer. It's all about how you see value. I have added a small printable game for you. You can download it after this lesson. Match the items that could be exchanged in the barter system. Before we end, let's quickly recap what we learned in this video. We learned about the barter system, problems with barter, why money was created, types of money and what money means.